Welcome to Sleepy Bee Puzzle Time. Today we're going to be doing puzzles from one of my favorite brands, which is Ravensburger. Let me show you what we're going to be doing. I absolutely love this. This is the puzzle we're going to be doing. It's actually 3 puzzles in one box. It's great. The other thing that's really cool about this puzzle is there's actually a secret. So if you watch the video, you'll be able to find out what the secret is to the puzzle and how absolutely awesome it is, especially if you like displaying your puzzles. So be sure to follow along and we will get solving. The puzzle that we're doing is the Ravensburg. It's this really pretty ocean one that they have. There are 3 puzzles in it. Each puzzle has 49 pieces. And we've already done this before here. And now we're going to do whatever the next one is. So we get started here. We'll set this off to the side. And what I'd like to do is separate our puzzle pieces out. So we're going to put all the ones that have flat edges to one side and the non-flats to the other side. This just makes it a little bit easier later on because what I'm going to do is get that framework done first. And this also gives me an opportunity to turn over the pieces. Oh, there's one already done. It's like a little Christmas bonus there. Okay, now I think we have all of our edge pieces. We'll get started in working these out. You can tell this is a brand new puzzle. We still got a little puzzle dust on the table here. Oh, we have a... That looks like it goes together. Does it go together? Nope, that doesn't go together. Here we go. That goes together, and then that goes there. We get, oops, turn that right side up. So now we have our top corner. And we start building from there. Let's see, we got this pink here. And see pink there, but that doesn't go together. Maybe this goes here. Nope, that doesn't go together. Maybe this goes here. There we go. And we have a weird little heart piece. And put that there. All right. Now I think we've got at the beginning of the turtle, so we must have gotten the turtle one. I don't like looking at the pictures that are available because I like to try to do these just based on what I'm seeing rather than using the photos. Oh, that one goes over here. Now let's see. We've got these blue and that blue. Those go together. And that goes together. And I think that goes right there. Looks like maybe it's a shark or something, maybe a dolphin. I think there was a dolphin in the picture, and then this goes together. I think that goes like that. And then, oh, see there's a little bit of a fin there, and there's the rest of him. And this one goes there. And then this must go right like that. All right, now we have this really cool green. Just goes there. So that must go like that. There's a fish, more green. So there's our bottom corner. And we've got some green here. And we have the orange of the fish. Some green there. And it looks like the fish goes right here. And it looks like I have probably put a couple edge pieces over there in that pile. So let's get started on this. I see these pieces, which look like they're part of the turtle. Pull those in, and oh, there's one of our pieces. Edge piece. And this one goes up there because it's got the spots. There we go. And that one goes not there. Okay, put that one there. So we get some more spots for the turtle. Maybe this goes here. Nope. Right. Let's see. Looks like maybe this one goes right there. And we have this really deep ones that must, that's not that. Oh, we have this green. And it has a fish. And then we have this green and this orange and this blue, and there's the yellow. Okay, and let's see. Nope. Let's go. Oh, there's our edge piece. It's impressive. I think I had two edge pieces in with these. It happens almost every time. And I try not to do it, and I still manage to do it. Alright, so move these out so I can see a little bit better. I need the piece that's going to go right there, and that's not it. I am not seeing the shape that I need to find. So let's see. Looks like it goes, oh, there you go, that goes there. Okay, that does not go there. No matter how many times I try to put it there, it does not go there. There we go, this one goes there. Now I can stop trying to stick that one there. Here we go. Oh, and we got the green here and the green there. And let's see. It's not that. It's not that. There we go. That looks like that goes together. Psych. Not that way. Maybe this way. There we go. That goes together. I don't see tendrils anywhere. Looks like it maybe goes right around this area. There you go. And we got a weird little heart-shaped piece. And then that goes there, which means this slides right into there. Then we have this piece. It's going to go there. And there's a piece that has a little bit more blue in it. And then we've got, let's see, we've got pink and we have yellows. Do we have the top of the jelly? There's the top of the jelly. Nope, wrong way, that way. And then I have I have two identical pieces left. Okay, that one fits. Does the other one fit? I'm kind of curious. Let's see. That was the one I just did. This one doesn't fit. It's just off a little bit. So if you got this puzzle and you're missing this piece, I apparently have it. just really funny. I do these puzzles a lot, and I've never wound up having an extra piece. So this is a Ravensburg puzzle. It's the ocean one. It has 3 puzzles, each 49 pieces. And look how gorgeous is this. If you would like to see the video on this one, just look at the link that I have available to you. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.